Hi everyone, welcome back to English Rise. If you want to improve your English, your confidence, your mindset, and transform your life, make sure to subscribe. This episode is long, deep, dark, and powerful. Now, breathe, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. The Hidden War Inside You. There is a war happening inside your mind, a war you never talk about, a war that nobody else sees, a war that follows you everywhere, a war between fear and growth, between the comfort you know and the future you want, between the silent version of you and the powerful version of you. This war decides your destiny, not your school, not your age, not your country, not your accent, only this war, inside you. When you try to speak English, fear steps forward. You feel pressure, your throat tightens, you forget words, your heart beats fast, your confidence collapses. But this fear is not your enemy. It is a test, a barrier, a gate to a new version of yourself, and to break it, you must fight the silent war, every day, every moment. Part 2. Your brain is not helping you. Your brain is powerful, but it has one mission: keep you safe, safe from danger, safe from embarrassment, safe from judgment, safe from change. Your brain says, don't speak, don't try, don't make mistakes, don't risk anything. Because in ancient times, making mistakes meant danger. It meant social rejection. It meant survival risk. But today, a mistake in English is not dangerous. It is normal. It is human. It is progress. Yet your brain still reacts as if you are in danger. That is why you freeze. That is why you avoid speaking. That is why you stay silent. To win this war, you must train your brain to accept discomfort, not avoid it, not escape it, not hide from it, but face it, welcome it, use it. Discomfort is your teacher, fear is your signal, resistance is your path. Where you resist the most, that is where you must go. Part 3. The mouth, the forgotten muscle. Here is a truth most people don't know. Speaking English is not just mental, it is physical. Your mouth must change shape. Your tongue must move differently. Your jaw must relax differently. Your breath must flow differently. This is why English feels hard, because your mouth has never trained these movements. Think of a musician. They practice scales, daily, slowly, repetitively. Think of a boxer. They train punches, daily, again and again. Think of a dancer. They repeat moves, for hours, until it becomes natural. You must train English the same way, not once a week, not only in your mind, but physically, daily. Your mouth must adapt. Your muscles must learn. Your voice must be trained. And every repetition builds fluency. Every mistake builds experience. Every attempt builds strength. Part 4. The Dark Room Ritual. This technique is one of the strongest tools you can use. Simple, low pressure, highly effective. Use it for 10, 20, even 30 minutes if you want deep transformation. How to do it? Enter a room. Close the door. Turn off the lights. No phone, no mirror, no distractions, just darkness and your voice. Start speaking English, slowly, softly, then louder, clearer, stronger. Speak about anything, your dreams, your future, your fears, your day, your goals, your problems, your story. The darkness removes judgment. It removes pressure. It makes your mind calm and your voice free. After 5 minutes, You will feel your fear dissolving. After 10 minutes, your English will feel more natural. After 20 minutes, you will feel like a different person. The dark room becomes your training ground, your sanctuary, your space to evolve. Do this daily, and your speaking barrier will disappear. Part 5. Shadowing, the warrior technique. Shadowing is not just repetition, it is transformation. When you shadow, you become the voice. You enter the rhythm. You merge with the sound. You imitate the flow. You train the entire system: eyes, ears, brain, mouth, memory. The extended method: shadow in 3 stages. Soft shadowing. Follow the speaker quietly, just the rhythm, just the melody. Real shadowing: speak at the same time. Copy everything. This is the main training. Power shadowing. Loud, energetic, expressive. This builds confidence. Do 5 minutes of each stage, 15 minutes total, daily. You will feel your fluency lifting, your hesitation dying, your voice growing. Shadowing is not about perfection. It is about courage, consistency, repetition. You are not studying, you are transforming. Part 6. The 4 voices method. Let's go deeper. To become fluent, you must train 4 different voices. 1. Silent voice. Thinking in English, practice it all day. Describe objects. Describe actions. Describe feelings. Small sentences. Simple thoughts. Choose books, articles, quotes. Read slowly, with emotion, with clarity. This trains pronunciation. 3. Shadow voice. Copying real English. Choose short videos. Follow the speaker. Copy their energy. Copy their accent. Copy their speed. 4. Free voice. Expressing without preparation. This builds true fluency. Talk about anything. Talk freely. Talk continuously. Do not stop. Let the words flow. Train these 4 voices daily, and fluency becomes inevitable. Part 7. The Silent Learner's Extended Story. Let me tell you a story, a longer one, a darker one, a more honest one. There was a man, let's call him Daniel. Daniel studied English for 10 years, but he never spoke, not once, not with confidence, not with comfort. In school, he learned grammar, he memorized verbs, he took tests, he passed exams, but he never trained his voice. When people spoke English near him, he became small, quiet, invisible. He wanted to speak. He dreamed of speaking, but he was afraid of sounding stupid, afraid of being judged, afraid of failing. So he stayed silent. For years, he became the silent learner, always understanding, never speaking. But inside him, there was a flame, a small one, a hidden one, a silent one. One day, he said to himself, "Enough. I am tired of fear. I am tired of silence. I want to speak." So he started training, not with apps, not with grammar, but with his voice. He practiced in the dark room. He shadowed videos. He read out loud daily. He talked to himself. He recorded himself. He listened. He improved. Day after day, week after week, month after month. The silence began to break. The fear began to fade. The confidence began to rise. After 90 days, he was a different person. He could speak. He could communicate. He could express himself. Daniel was no longer the silent learner. He became the fluent warrior, because he learned something powerful. Fluency is not a gift. It is a transformation, and transformation requires courage. Part 8. The Psychology of Fluency. Fluency is not about grammar, not about memory, not about talent. Fluency is about psychology. Here are the truths. If you fear mistakes, you will stay silent. If you protect your ego, you will avoid speaking. If you wait for confidence, you will wait forever. If you speak daily, confidence will grow naturally. If you face fear, fear loses power. If you repeat, your brain learns. Fluency is the result of courage, consistency, repetition, exposure, practice, patience. Your mind must accept discomfort. Your identity must expand. Your voice must be trained. This is the path. There is no shortcut, but there is a guarantee. If you do the work, you will speak English. Part 9. Extended 30-Day Transformation Plan. Here is your full 30-day plan. Do it seriously. Your English will transform. Week 1. Break the fear barrier. Dark room, 10 minutes. Read aloud, 10 minutes. Think in English, 5 minutes. This week builds courage. Week 2. Build the speaking muscle shadowing, 15 minutes. Free speaking, 10 minutes. Reading aloud, 10 minutes. This week trains your mouth. Week 3, expand your voice. Free voice, 15 minutes. Shadow voice, 15 minutes. Silent voice, 10 minutes. This week builds fluency. Week 4, full integration. Dark room, 5 minutes. Shadowing, 10 minutes. Reading aloud, 10 minutes. Free speaking, 10 minutes. This week transforms your identity. Do this for 30 days, then repeat. And watch how your English, your confidence, your life begin to rise. Part 10. Your new identity. You are not learning English. You are becoming someone new, someone stronger, someone braver, someone louder, someone clearer. You are becoming a person who speaks, who acts, who learns, who grows, who rises. Every repetition shapes you. Every mistake strengthens you. Every sentence builds you. You are not the silent version anymore. You are the rising version, the evolving version, the powerful version. You are on the path. You are growing. You are transforming. You are becoming fluent. Your voice is your power. Your English is your tool. Your future is waiting. Thank you for watching this long and powerful episode. If this video inspired you, helped you, or motivated you, make sure to subscribe to English Rise. We will continue this journey together, one step at a time, one word at a time, one transformation at a time. I'll see you in the next episode, and remember, your voice matters. Use it, train it, rise.